Now I will show you some advanced features of this software. So let's say we have a website, right? And we have two pages. You want to edit, you want to search engine optimize your page. So you just click this SEO button. Then you can just set the title of page. Then you can set the meta tags. Then you can add an open graph, Twitter card, FB card, and you can even inject your own script. Like if you want to put some analytics code or some chat app, etc. So you just put this, put your script tag here. And let's say if you want to do that on each and every page of your website, so instead of selecting this page, you go to the site and then you just do the same here. Okay. And this is fallback titles and tags. So when you say that my site, right? So let's say you forget about putting the title for this for a page. So what it will do is instead of saying untitled page, it will say this.